Okay, so first off, we're starting off doing my eyebrows. If you haven't seen my last video, I posted a video of my eyebrows, but I want to go in depth in another video because since I recorded it quick and easy, I feel like y'all didn't get what I was trying to say in the video. Okay, now I'm priming my face, and I used the Nivea Men Shave Balm and the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Primer, and then for the pores, I used the Heart Candy Pores No More, I think that's what they called. I don't know, everything will be in the description box just in case. Ooh, you hear my baby in the back? But yeah, here I'm just using the L'Oreal one, and then I'm going in with the Heart Candy. Oh, there it goes, Stick Pores something, I don't know. And I basically just apply this where you can see my pores the most because I feel like this really shears them out. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Foundation. I'm pretty sure y'all seen me use this foundation millions of times, but I'm just using it with my Shop Miss A beauty blender. Guys, if y'all don't know about this beauty blender, y'all need to go and buy it because it's only $1 and literally it's the best. Like, it's the freaking best. I use this for my clients also, but I forgot what I was saying. Oh my god. But anyways, I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics Pro Concealer in the shade 104, and again blending it in with the same sponge. Now I'm going in with these highlighter drops that I got from AliExpress. These are the Beauty Glazed highlighter drops. And then going in with my Fire Makeup HD powder just to set under my eyes and set my face. If you don't know about this powder, I highly recommend it. It's a makeup store online and in store here in Houston, Texas. If you want to check them out, go in my Instagram and you'll see it. Now going in with my MAC Studio Pro, and this I basically set my whole face with, and it also gives it more coverage since it is a foundation powder. And I just apply this everywhere, all over my face. Okay, now going in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I think this is in the deep dark because the light one is like really light for my skin tone. But I'm just applying that to my forehead and then applying it to my cheekbones. And then going in with the MAC highlighter, you already know. Going in with my Morphe 35O palette, I'm just picking up a cool tone brown shade and just keeping that color in the outer V area. If I sound weird, it's because I'm fucking sick right now and I hate this shit. But, you know, work, don't stop. But I'm just blending that in a circle motion. Then I'm picking up the iMagic eyeshadow palette and going in with that pink and burgundy shade and applying this in the same area that I applied in that brown shade, which is the outer V. I first apply it and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend them just to get the most product where I want it to be. Then going in with my BH28 eyeshadow shimmer palette and applying that yellow gold in my inner crease with this fluffy brush from Coastal Scents, I believe that's the brush. Everything will be in the description box, so I'm sorry guys if I don't say everything. It's just because doing voiceovers isn't as easy as it sounds or looks, whatever. But everything will be down below, so just check out the description box always. I'm also going in with the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette and I'm blending these two shades together and applying it into my inner crease. I don't have the palette with me right now, so I can't tell you the colors, but I'll put it in the description below. And I'm basically putting this on top of that gold yellow from the BH Cosmetics palette just to give it a more pigment because, I don't know, the colors weren't really popping as much as I wanted them to. So I went in with my Nika K liquid glitters, I think that's what it's called, and then my Urban Decay glitter liner with the NYX glitter, and this is in the number 07, and I'm just applying that with my glitter glue, oh my god, with my eyelash glue from Kiss, and I'm blending that with my fingers, and then I'm going ahead and applying it with a fluffy brush, just so it won't be in one specific area. It will blend out in all my eyelid, around my whole eyelid, if that makes sense. Yeah, I'm really bad at doing voiceovers, guys. This is really why I don't do them, but I didn't talk through this video, so this is what I have to do. Now going in with the Jaclyn and Morphe palette, and I'm just grabbing a dark brown shade just to intensify the outer V area. There you go, screaming. Now going in with, you know, the usual, with my NYX liquid eyeliner. No, this is not my NYX, this is my NYC one, but since they discontinued it, I'm just telling y'all a better option. These eyelashes I got from AliExpress. If you don't know, I have a whole video on AliExpress lashes, which are my favorite, so go check that out, because this is where I grabbed the lashes. But going in with my Jaclyn Morphe palette again, and I'm just applying those two shades in my inner corners just to give it a pop. You know, my favorite, I always like to do this. And then now I'm gonna try out this ColourPop Limbo liquid lipstick. You know, these used to be the shit back then, but I'm not really a lipstick girl, so I don't know, I didn't really like it. I took it off at the end. But now going in with my e.l.f. brow gel and just putting my hairs together, and we're finally done, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll be posting more makeup tutorials if y'all want them. Just give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, bye bye.